Let's delve deeper into the history of Dr. Umar Johnson's efforts. Johnson has been advocating for educational reform for over a decade. His speeches have always emphasized the importance of self-reliance and community support. He believes that the black community must take charge of its own educational destiny. Many in the community believe in his vision and have contributed what they can. But there are also critics who question the feasibility and transparency of the project. Johnson has addressed these criticisms head-on, reiterating his commitment to the cause. He often quotes leaders like Marcus Garvey and Frederick Douglass to inspire and motivate his supporters. The ultimate goal is to provide a holistic education that prepares students for the real world. This includes not just academic learning, but also practical skills and community involvement. Johnson continues to work tirelessly, holding meetings and planning sessions to push the project forward. The journey has been long and arduous, but the hope remains strong. The community support is crucial, and many believe that together they can make this dream a reality. Johnson's message is clear: with unity and determination, anything is possible. As we reflect on this journey, it's important to remember the core values that drive this mission. It's about more than just a school, it's about building a future for the next generation.